You are going to love the 2015 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.